Hello guys and welcome to JavaFX tutorial for beginners from Genius Coders. So in this video we will be talking about our code for ChoiceBox control. So ChoiceBox mainly used for giving the multiple choice and select one choice you want to select. So this is ChoiceBox. So let's see how it's work or how we can code for the ChoiceBox. So as usual we have one sample code of JavaFX. So firstly create a ChoiceBox class, ChoiceBox, choice equal to new ChoiceBox semicolon, import the packages ChoiceBox. Okay, so C ChoiceBox. Now firstly add the ChoiceBox in our root. Create children, add choice semicolon. Now after adding the ChoiceBox, let's see it's work or not. So I want to add the multiple choice and it's drop down list. So let's add this. So there are two ways to add the item in our ChoiceBox. So first or simple method to use the choice object get item like item add. We can use the two method here. We can use the add, it's a single string, or we can use the add all or the multiple string. So here I'm using add all to the multiple string like what we can say JavaFX CPP HTML. Okay, so let's see it's work or not. You can see here JavaFX CPP HTML are added. So for this we can add, this is a simple method to add a string in our ChoiceBox. Another method is to add the components, to add the strings in our checkbox is a observable list. So firstly we have to create the one observable object. It's type of string, so it give the string list equal to fx collection dot observable array list and in bracket give the array string. So firstly import the package. Import the package here, go import the observable list, fix collection. Okay, so it's collections, collections, so don't be confused, collections and observable. Okay, it's small mistake, spelling mistake over. So add the strings also like PHP or database, CSS. Okay, this list should be here, and this object should be in this parameter like ChoiceBox parameter. Pass here, run this. You can see here the PHP database CSS is added. So this way we can add the strings. Okay, so now let's see how to add the event on ChoiceBox. Okay, so let's add the event on ChoiceBox. So use the object of ChoiceBox, get selection mode, add dot selected item property, add listener, bracket, observable value, ob, comma, object of old value, comma, object of new value, and use the lambda expression. Okay, so the code looks like this. So let's see. Add a listener, bracket, observable value, ob, object old value, object new value. So let's print this. System.out.println, and in this string new value. We can also print the old value. Now run this code, check whether it's working or not. PHP, it's so null because the old value is null and new value is PHP. So PHP will become the old value and database will become the new value. You can see here the changes are. Okay, so this way we can add the choice box or apply the event. So let's see how we can add the event using the scene builder. So I have three files, main.java, XML, and controller. So firstly add the choice box in our XML file. So let's see choice box. Save this and give the fix ID because we have to add the item in our choice box. Choice. Then so let's add the event. Mouse click. Save this. View. So sample control skeleton and just drag or copy this, paste here. Now import the choice box. Okay, you can add the parameter also, string. So firstly we need to add the item in our choice box. So firstly add the choice box here. So use the choice object. I'm using the simple method to add the choice box. Get item and add all. Write Java, PHP and HTML. Now add the event. Okay, it shows some error. What the error? So now let's add the event on choice. So we have already created the method choice dot get selection model dot get selected item. You can get also we can get the index of selected item, but here I am getting the index, not index, but here giving the item of selected. Just print this system dot println and close this. Run this program. After running the program, let's see. So we have added the mouse event. So when we click on this, it's shown null because we haven't used anything. When we click Java, it's print Java, PHP, HTML. Okay, because of its mouse event, so when we click on this, that time it will print the message. So this way we can add the ChoiseBox event, event on ChoiseBox. So see you in next video guys with another control.